What it do, guys? What it do, traders? What it do, hustlers? What it do, entrepreneurs? It's your boy Shisource, and today we're back again with a new bang, with a new video. So today I'm gonna be talking about my trader routine. So yeah, the routine that I use to obtain high performance during my trading week, during my trading days, and during when things are hard in the trading market. So the routine that I stick to every day. So to begin with, first of all, as always, traders and other mentors always mention that as a trader you need to be disciplined. As for me, what I say is you need to create the things you do for discipline and make them a habit, because discipline sometimes it is very hard to maintain, but then a habit it is easy to maintain. Because why? Because a habit, it is something that is naturally inside that you can do, like with not even without thinking, like something you have to do like on a daily basis. But then whereas discipline, you need to like have that energy for discipline. I see sometimes when you're down, you will find yourself maybe difficult to do some of your daily tasks. And then so that is why you need to like your routine has to become now a habit. So like normal like thing to do, like maybe let's say when you bathing is a habit, every morning you have to go and get a bath. So your routine has to be like that, so that these things cannot be hard for you to do, so that they can be first nature, and so that forex trading can be nice for you, or that particular thing you're doing. So without any further ado, let's get to the first thing I usually do in the morning. So the first one is I wake up in the morning at 4 a.m. I go wash my face, right? I wash my face and I just come straight to the forex market. So I wake up in the morning because with my forex strategy, you may find that there are pairs moving on the Asian session, because at 4 a.m. for me it's usually the Asian session, and find that pairs are now shaping up. So when you are sleeping, I usually most find myself missing positions at night when I'm sleeping. So I now wake up in the morning because of that, and also so that I can focus properly and try to meditate, because it's early in the morning, so I have more time to myself. So meditate and look at my pairs properly and focus nicely, so I cannot like mess up. So I do that. I focus my pairs. I look at the possible entries in the morning. I analyze properly and see it's okay. These ones are coming okay. These ones are coming nice. And then what I do is I choose maximum 4 pairs to be looking at during the day, because you see, on a weekly basis I usually look at the top 6 of pairs to like 6 pairs, and then I have wild cards and commodities, you see. So that helps me, like the daily watch list helps me in focusing on those 4 pairs, because I cannot focus on all of those like many pairs during one day, because I'll find myself messing up, I'll find myself getting confused, and I also find myself taking the wrong trades and missing trades as well. So I look at maybe 4 maximum, or 3 if there are 3 shaping up for today, right, in the morning. Because you see, in the morning I'm not in a rush, in the morning you're not in a rush, like, so you can do these things nice on time and everyone is asleep, so you can choose nice. In the market in the morning for our side, and my time zone is usually slow because it's the Asian session, as I said, so there's no need for you to be rushing. So that's why I condone waking up in the morning. And then after that, what I do is I read my trading plan. After I've analyzed, I check the market right properly, I read my trading plan, and then that assists me in knowing what to check during the day. I should I have to take these setups, and I shouldn't take this kind of setups, because I've read the trading plan, right? So I read the trading plan every day, so it can become in my mind every day. It's okay, when a position comes, I know this one is with my trading plan, no, this one is not, you see. So I read the trading plan every day, so that minimizes the mistakes too, as traders do, because sometimes you may find that you're not following your plan because it's been a while you haven't read your trading plan. But then if you are reading the trading plan every day, there's little chance that you might mess up in your trades, And then I also read my risk mitigation rules, because besides the trading plan, I have something else called my risk mitigation, because with the trading setups, it is not always every setup that is safe to take. Even if you can see an entry, You can find that good. Maybe there are some of the trades they are riskier than the others, so I read that as well, so I can see which when I'm trading I know which setup is riskier to take, which one is less risk, so I can take it. So I do this thing in the morning with the fresh mindset, because lapo I know while I'm moving on with the day, I'm gonna be high performing and I'm not gonna be making any like silly mistakes, because as you know guys, trading is a performance game, so you need to prepare yourselves in the morning every day. So yeah, that is the morning routine that I have. And then after I finish with the trading plan, I go back again in the chat to check properly if I messed something up when I woke up, because as I said, when I wake up I check the chart first, right? Then I check, okay, now I'm from my trading plan, is there any minor mistake I did on when I was focusing the market or choosing my daily watch list? If there is, I fix day. If there's not, it's okay, I'm continuing with the day, you see. So that is a very good morning routine. So yeah, now let's go to the evening routine. In the evening, what I do, okay, during the day and so just trading the normal, and then in the evening what I do is I then read my yearly goals, because I have yearly goals as well. Like I turn on my healing music or focus music, yeah, whatever you may call it. I listen to that smooth music, right? And then I read my yearly goals. I read the yearly goals, and then after I'm done reading those yearly goals, on top of that music I'm listening, I then refocused my pairs for tomorrow. See, because the market was moving during the day, right? So you have to like reanalyze a bit, fix your trend lines, fix your horizontal lines, fix your little notes there, fix that, so you can have a proper and updated analysis for the coming day, right? And then when I'm done doing that, what I do is I also record the trades that I took today. If I had any trades, I have softwares that I use for recording these trades. I also do my daily report card where I check my performance. Good, see, did I perform well today? I do this on a daily basis, because I wouldn't want to make the same mistake maybe tomorrow or the next day. Maybe because you see, when you do it weekly, you may find that which you did the same mistakes 2 times in a week. But then when you are doing it, the daily report card daily, you may find that the mistake you did today, it is very rare you can do it tomorrow, because you knew you made a mistake when you're reading your daily report cards, and you're like, okay, I made this mistake, I made that mistake, so you don't do that, So yeah, then I think that is it for the routine though. I think I've mentioned everything, so you need to keep it small and simple, not very, very hard, so it can be easy as well to do, because some of you find yourselves doing hard routines or hard rules which are very hard to follow, and you find yourself not completing anything. At least if you do those little things and they add up to something than not doing anything. So you need to like do your things very proper. And I wanted to also add on the yearly goals. You see, your goals, you should divide them too. You shouldn't be just maybe yearly goal, you have to make 100,000, making an example. No, you have to say maybe for you to reach that yearly goal, you have to divide it. Maybe let's say in the month you have to maybe save 5,000, maybe 10,000. It will depend, or like it will depend. But it's okay. The thing is, in the forex market, you cannot say you will make this much money, because sometimes the forex market is slow, for others it is fast. But then let's say you will save this amount of money, then at the end of this year you found that maybe you saved 70,000. That's money, bro. You were a little bit closer to your goal than to say I'm going to make 100,000 this year, and you're trading, you're not saving anything, you are wasting the money, but you are expecting no, the market will make a miracle and maybe on November I'll make 100,000. No, like divide the goal so that you can see progress, and you can see that this thing is nice to do. I'm gaining these little wins along the way. I'm saving 10,000 along the way, and you can visualize, which okay, I'm gonna be getting there very soon. So that is very important in breaking down the goal. But then I think that was it for the trading routine. So just keep it simple and straightforward. So see you on my next video.